All right, this was sent into the channel for a review. It is an AP150 Pro tire inflator by the GOOLOO company. GOOLOO company. I didn't expect much out of it when I received it, but I've been playing with it and I really like this thing. Let's see here. Let's look at what's in the bag, or in the box, I mean. So it pumps up tires, and so it's got a hose with a nice flip down locking. When you put it on the Schrader valve, it locks in place really nicely, and it's real flexible. It comes with a charging cable, batteries are inside, and it comes with some additional things to blow up volleyballs and other types of bicycle tires that I don't own. I've tried it on a car and I've tried it on a bicycle, and it worked great in both cases. So let's take a look at it. It's got a good heft to it. It says 27.75 watt hours. Pressure range 4 to 150 psi. So you plug the hose in at the top. You need to twist it in place. There is an, I can't do this in front of the camera. There is a O-ring seal at the bottom, so you just have to twist it in. There is a flashlight on it, but yeah, let's turn it on because it's really cool looking. All right, so we have this is the PSI it's reading. Okay, so as soon as you put this on the tire, it will read your PSI. And then this is the PSI that you want to inflate to, okay? And here is the mode you're in. So you can go motorcycle mode, bicycle mode, basketball mode. I don't know what that mode is. But yeah, so you can have certain things programmed in that you like. So the last car I filled up I had it at 33. The bicycle was at at 55. It remembered that, so it remembers the last time you used it. Okay, and you can modify it. You can change the inflation to anything you want. All right, and then I guess this is the flashlight. Yeah, that turns the flashlight on. Turn that off. So yeah, so this selects what you want. That's the flashlight. Increase or decrease the pressure, and then the go button. Okay, so it's really easy to use. You put this on the tire, and you put go, and you hit go, and it will inflate the tire to this pressure, and then it stops. It automatically turns off, which is really nice. So yeah, so let's take it outside. I'll inflate a car tire. All right, we looked at the placard and it says 33 pounds for this wheel here. Let's put it on and flip the little lever down, turn the machine on. Oh, and it's a little bit bright. Let's see, can't see. There we go. Can you see that? It's a little bit hard to see in the sunlight. But I have it set to automotive, and I have it set to 33 pounds, and we'll tell it to go. All right, there we go. That took a while, but it's a pretty drastic case. We started out at 21 pounds, so that's kind of like a worst case scenario. And when it took it up to 33, and it automatically shuts off, and you're ready to go. It's great. All right, so that was pretty good. I mean, we started with a very uninflated tire. We let the air out of that tire to 21 pounds before filling it back up. But if your tire only needs a couple pounds, you know, if it's like 3 pounds low or whatever, it doesn't take that long. And bicycles fill real fast because there's not a lot of volume in a bicycle tire. So it's really nice for, I'm used to like pump the bicycle tire. I'm going to be using this thing from now on to fill up the bicycle. It just takes a few seconds to do that. So it's great. So anyway, you know, there's just not a lot to say about this thing. It's just super simple. In fact, the instructions come with it are kind of hilarious. It says, you hook it up, choose which car or bicycle or whatever it is, and then you push the power button and then take it out. And that I mean, really, that's it. That's the only thing you really need to know about this thing. It's real nice. Let's see here. It's got the charging on the bottom here, USB-C and USB-A, yeah. Like I said, not a lot to say about this thing. I'm a real fan. I can definitely approve this thing. It's going to come in handy. All right, well, that was my review of the AP150 Pro tire inflator by the GOOLOO company. Yeah, nice.